Hello YouTube, this is a review on Vevor 12-ton porta-power kit, and by default it's also a review on the company that sells these kits, which I purchased on eBay, and I'm now trying to get this one sent back because I don't think it's fit for purpose, and I'll tell you why. It's a 12-ton kit, so that's just as you can see, it's just bent over. Now there's a couple of possibilities. Have I put too much pressure on it? And the other possibility is it just made of weak material and not fit for a 12-ton? Because bear in mind that they're selling this as a 12-ton porta-power kit, so these tubes should be able to handle quite a bit. I've also noticed how rusty this thing. We've had a little bit of rain and this truck is outside, and how rusty this gets. And this has also been outside, but it's not rusty. And this has also been outside, and it's not rusty. And this thing's probably 25 years old. So there's another thing that maybe it's not up to scratch. Anyway, I'll get the scales out and weigh them compared with another porta-power kit that I have to see how strong these tubes are. I'll just put you on pause for a second. Just before I do that, I'll just take this off, let the weight off, and really I probably only had 1.5 tons on that, so it didn't really take a lot to bend that. Right, I'll just put you on pause. This is the kit with the Vevor on it. The rest of it you've seen. Here's the pipes. Bent. Now, this is scales. If I put this pipe here, which is this longer one, 32.65 grams. Here's a short one, another brand, 28.90. I'll just chuck a 10 mil spanner on, 32.49. So those two items weigh the same as that one there. So if we look at the end of it, you'll see the difference, and you'll also see the difference, whereas this one here, these marks here, it's been squashed in, pressed in. This thing, nothing at all. Nothing at all. Now, I've been trying to send this back. Got about 9 emails here, and they just keep sending back a standard letter that my time is valuable and all the rest of it, and we'll get back to you. And then they sent me this one here. They wanted some evidence of me using the system, their system, to show it in working, and then they'll look at it. They wanted me to download it on this website, but I thought I'd just put it on YouTube and let them know. Then they offered me $10, $10 US. It says here, very sorry to hear such a problem with the product, and we don't want this to happen, how about we process $10 refund as compensation? You can then use this money to repair the product or use it to buy parts you need. Let me know what you think. That's the seller offering me $10 to make me go away. This thing cost me about $280. There it is there. That is totally unacceptable. That is just taking the piss, really. So that's when I thought, I'll make the video and let other people know. If you're buying a set, I would look around. You can still buy Chinese sets that have been pressed in that are a lot better than others. Don't buy one that hasn't got these press marks. Don't buy this cheap shit, you know. And for them, if they're going to sell a product which is rated at 12 tonne, you know, you've got to beef up these extensions as well. You can't just beef up the pump. That's just not good enough. So, you know, this thing here, a good brand, weighs the same as the one next to it. So that should tell you everything you need to know, really. Buyer beware, I say. Thank you.